Picture the energy sector at its most vibrant. Teams working together, solutions powering change. Now imagine a software suite that brings order, innovation, and growth to every corner of your business. Commtex Solutions introduces PowerEnergy ERP, designed exclusively for the dynamic world of power clouds. What makes PowerEnergy ERP stand out? It starts with a robust product catalog and dynamic pricing, ensuring your offerings are always competitive and tailored to market demands. Seamlessly oversee retail sales management, so transactions flow smoothly and customers remain engaged. Project installation and execution become streamlined, guided by precise planning tools that keep timelines on track and resources optimized. Maintenance and AMC Management transform into proactive systems, minimizing downtime and maximizing reliability. When unexpected breakdowns occur, integrated breakdown management ensures your response is swift and effective. Remote monitoring features provide insight and control wherever your assets are located. With finance and procurement integration, every dollar is tracked, every supply chain is connected. HR and payroll modules empower your workforce, offering clarity and efficiency from recruitment to rewards. PowerEnergy ERP doesn't just operate in isolation. It integrates with Slack and Agentforce, bringing your collaboration and customer interactions into a unified digital space, where every task and conversation is connected. As the energy sector evolves, PowerEnergy ERP is here to help you lead the charge, confidently, efficiently, and always one step ahead.